Okay, okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is really spontaneous, and then I got my package today, recently, just a couple minutes ago. So yeah, I bought a Soundcore from Anker. Soundcore. This is Liberty Air 2 Pro. Let's just open, yeah. This is video unboxing purposes. Let's just open official Soundcore, ya, Soundcore on Shopee online as always. Oh, okay. I don't know, yeah, why they don't come with the double box, because it's official. This is just for bro. Yeah, maybe that's their regulation, maybe. Okay. Okay, so this is the March warranty card. This is the warranty card. I don't know. Oh, 23 ya, 2023. Oh, okay. I got the pinky one. Yeah. Wow. 10 Grammy Awards. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's just hybrid ANC. Oh, Liberty Air 2 Pro. Liberty Air 2 Pro. Okay, let's just open. Let's put aside. Wow, look at this. They have different ear tips, if I'm not mistaken. How to open this? Oh, this one. So this one. You just open the pinky one. Wow. Wow. They have, I think they have wireless charge. Oh, like this. It's so premium. The pinky one. Okay. This is NNC, yeah, targeted NNC control. Like this. Wow. I'm excited to wear this. Ini bisa, oh enggak, memang udah begini. And then where is my different, bisa dibuka nggak sih? I don't know how to. Oh, this one ya. Salah, sorry. This one. Sa. This is, I think this is the instruction card, yeah, Soundcore. And then you have the cable, charging cable, powered by Anker. And then you have different size of, it's very hard. And we have this one. Let me just show it to you. Okay, now that's all my Anker unboxing video. Let me just open what inside of this here. Yeah, they don't have it. Yeah, touch control should be here. Like that. Okay, I need to, oh, the ear tips like this. Okay, I think that's all. Bye bye. Thank you. This is my tea. Okay, so messy here. Bye bye. Thank you very much. It's already okay.